and in this video, we are going to discuss how to identify the entries or the elements of the matrix. To recall, a matrix represented by uppercase letters are an array of numbers in a bracket. A matrix has its unique order defined by the numbers of rows and columns respectively. Now, an entry is a number in the matrix. An entry can be identified as its place in the row and column respectively. Here is an overview of what an entry looks like. For example, we have here matrix A, a 2 by 2 or square matrix. For the first entry, located at the top left, that is named as A sub 1, 1. This is because this first element or entry can be found in the first row of the first column. Again, first row of the first column. Next would be the entry to its right. This is named as A sub 1, 2 because it can be found at the first row of the second column. Moving on will be the number at the bottom left. This entry is A sub 2, 1 because it can be found at the second row of the first column. Lastly, the number from the bottom right will be A sub 2, 2 since it is at the second row of the second column. Let's have our example. Here we have matrix A, a 3 by 2 matrix because it has 3 rows and 2 columns. Now, we try to identify its entries. For number 1, we have A sub 1, 1, meaning this entry shall be located at the first row of our first column. What entry is that? That is number 4. Next would be A sub 1, 2, located at the first row of the second column. And that is number 5. Next, A sub 2, 1. A sub 2, 1 is located at the second row of the first column. That is 6. Fourth example, A sub 2, 2, located at the second row of the second column. That is 3. Next would be A sub 3, 1, located at the third row of the first column, which is 2. And lastly, A sub 3, 2, located at the third row of the second column, which is number 1. And that's it. I hope you have learned a lot in this video. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.